Hello. Yes, yes. Just a minute. So I'm trying to hello, கேக்குதா உங்களுக்கு?
கேக்குது கேக்குது.
Okay, okay. So I'm searching like Chennai, city Chennai. So I'm getting the details of Tamil Nadu automatically. So I think
Okay.
India details is not fully loaded into the system. That's the reason it's not coming.
Okay, fine. No
Okay,
problem.
so this kind of
So it is understood.
yes. That the purpose are using that location creations.
So now location is like the location of the branch of the company.
Yes, correct.
It is not with the location, exact location. Okay, fine.
Then coming to the actions and action reasons, just explaining you why you are using that. So I'm creating the location of the Dubai DAP. Why DAP? What the purpose have I created something? What the purpose? I need to record it in the system.
New branch like that.
Yes, that means new organization, reorganization like that. So what the purpose? Like after 2 months or 3 months, I'm finding the location. Not only you, someone, some implementation team or any the end user. So while finding that location, they need to understood why they are created the locations. So the location action, what the purpose and the reason they creation for the location. So என்ன காரணத்துக்காக create பண்ணாங்க. So we need to record it. But this role should be coming from system. That means a customer. So without customer input, we should not create it. So customer support.
Okay, they will tell what reason you want to write.
If they not create giving any input, if you have created something they will blaming you, but it's having some escalation. So don't always should be coming from customer side. So without input, we should not create it in configuration level. For example, I think recently I created something. Just now I created, I think unique patch. Just showing you, and then I could how to create it. Again, I explain. So I created something evening session like that. So now a request tip that means why the purpose of creating this location, I recorded it. So how to create these actions and action reason, just I'm showing here.
What is action?
Action is nothing but wait, I tell you.
Doing this is called action. Action reason is this.
Wait, I tell you. So I'm creating the location. What is this? These actions. I'm creating a department. What is this?
That is action. Okay.
Yes.
Action reason is what which you type it there. Mention why we are creating that.
Yes, I need to first create an action reason and then I need to tag it to actions.
Okay, fine.
So for example, for locations, so I am creating a new location. This is the action. What's the reason I'm creating? Like a new location. What can I?
New branch we can type. No?
Okay, new branch. It's a reason. So
action reason.
Yes. First, I need to create action reason. Then I need to map to system. So I need to map to actions. So in the process on நடக்குதுங்க. So it's going to first I need to navigate to the actions, manage actions.
Okay.
This is navigation. Your task area, you can find out.
Manage location.
No, manage actions. So before I need to create action reasons.
Okay, so the client will give us a set of reasons and they will say, when you are making an action of new location, then put it as new branch as action reason.
Yes, correct.
So we have to map that. If we create a new location, then we'll map it as action reason as So, okay, I will be already creating the action reason also. Fine, understood.
You already created some. So no, I think.
No, I'm telling you. No, I'm telling you.
Okay.
ஏற்கனவே action reason create பண்ணி வச்சிருப்போம். So it will be in a drop down where you will be pick it up from there. நான் என்ன நினைச்சேன்னா அங்க டைப் பண்ணுவோம்னு நினைச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன்.
No, we can't type. So first we need to map because so
you
common
have to only map it with it.
Yes.
Need DAP. So ஒவ்வொரு இதுக்கு ஒவ்வொரு reason வந்துரும்ல இல்லாட்டி. So
ஆமா. So n number of duplication will be coming. So that's the reason. So we are avoiding the duplication. So commonly something. So related to Dubai, the branch. Suppose they're creating a new location in Dubai.
New location.
Yeah, this same. DAP na DAP.
DIP. But okay, fine. இப்போ வந்து இப்போ இது வந்து manage location na, so that means what I understand is that the client will be telling, if I'm going to manage a location, they will be telling new branch or something. If I'm going to manage something else, they will be telling another reason for it.
Yes,
you know,
correct.
Changing of something, yes. They will give another reason. So accordingly, I'll create an action reason. So whenever I create a new location, then at the action reason, I will put it as new branch.
Yeah. For example, I'm telling here is coming something is coming now. So they're having some requirement like in Fusion, San Francisco. This kind of code, something they are using some codes also, not only the words.
Okay.
So something they are using. So these details we are getting from the client. So the same should be tested into real-time environment testing document UAT level. What the inputs are received from the clients, we need to test it in the system and take a snapshot. So this kind of configurations happen. So பாத்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம வந்து இதெல்லாம் விட்டுருங்க, இதெல்லாம் வந்து it is a different part. So new code is for into backend purpose, backend report purpose. So always should be underscore. Then the new branch DAP branch is created. Just giving the submission button. So new action reasons created. Then coming to the actions. So I need to map what I created the action. I need to map it here. Which action I'm going to do? Location. So location. What are the location is there? So there are a lot of location options showing here. So I'm going to create new location. So here what happened? Create location, change the location, create location. This is not used because it's somebody is wrong, duplicated created. You can see new location, but it's
okay.
It's starting from some date. You can see, understand. Year 2020, someone is created, but is never used. If you are created under that this location, you can't see the data in front end system. This is a real time data. That's the reason telling somebody using. So already what we are creating, we can't find out what's the real data, what created by the user. That's the reason I'm telling. Just I'm creating the new location. Just I'm not going to change that. Just ignore that. I'm going to add the reasons only. So already someone created. So I'm created on reasons today evening session like that. So just I'm adding associate with location of reason. Think what we created.
Location.
AB branch. Yeah. This address, this reason we created now.
Okay.
Due to association with these actions.
Today's date. Okay, fine. Okay.
Okay, I click OK button. Then I get to give the submit button. Is created. Then how can data is working fine? I need to check test it. Then I going to the same place of manage location. So I'm creating new location as on today. So I'm getting that recently update. Sorry, I need to change the date also.
Yeah.
Sorry. You can see here. Now you understood?
Okay.
That's the purpose of creating action accentrations. Okay. Yeah, you can continue or you have any doubts still now?
No. See, actually, when you first will create action reason, right? And then you will make the action, right?
Yes.
You will map it with the action.
Yes. That's it.
Okay. So when it comes with action, if you're going to do the location, then we will map it with that action reason of DIP branch.
Yes, correct.
You will click location and then you will make it as action for that location as action reason as this one.
Yes.
Okay, fine. அப்புறமேல் இப்போ போயிட்டு we will change it in the location, right?
No. So I'm not created.
No need to do any changes. Okay.
இல்ல நான் வந்து இப்ப ஜஸ்ட் உங்களுக்கு ஆக்ஷன்ஸ் கான்செப்ட்ல தான் உங்களுக்கு சொல்றேன். So how the it's working in the system, because I'm not creating any location. Coming to the work structure, I just explaining how to dealing with the job.
Okay, fine.
It's a different concept. So first
okay, fine.
first initially configuration of the organization. So நம்ம first initial configuration set பண்ணிட்டு தான் we going to go step. The steps, the processing checklist is there. The checklist should be coming to the process checklist. Need to first geo ready பண்ணோம். So அதுக்கப்புறம் enterprises. So இதுல நாம எது மிஸ் பண்ணாலும் we can't achieve the result. We can't hire the employee. So இது எல்லாமே எதுக்காக பண்றோம்னா we hire the employee. So this data இல்லனா எப்படி how can we hire the employee without
correct.
Without country, without address, without department, without jobs, without grades, we cannot hire the employee. No, that's the reason we need to finish all the develop setup of related to the company setup. That means the organization setup.
Understood. Fine then. Okay.
Yeah. Then I'm going to the. So this kind of setup we need to do that. So before that I explaining today, then I will close it up. So ரொம்ப நான் சொன்னா ஒரு கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆயிரும். So நான் கொஞ்சம் ஸ்லோ வரேன், அப்பதான் you can understand. இந்த real timeல you need to practice it now. So நான் ரொம்ப ஸ்பீடா, so நான் ஸ்லோ அண்ட் ஸ்டெடியா போறதா என்னோட ரெக்கமெண்டேஷன். ஸோ நீங்க ஜஸ்ட் ஸ்பீடா முடிக்கிறது ஃபாஸ்ட் ட்ராக்ல பண்றது நம்ம இது கிடையாது. ஏன்னா அது லாட் ஆஃப் கான்ஃபிகரேஷன் இஸ் இன்வால்வ்டு. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு இப்போ புரியுற மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும், பட் 2 days கழிச்சு யூ காண்ட் memorize பண்ண முடியாது. அந்த
it is not it has to be worked and learned. And Balan, actually they told me also that there will be 1,000 rupees you have to pay something for the thing they told, no?
Instance நான் சொன்னல, இன்ஸ்டன்ஸ் நம்ம வாங்கி கொடுப்பாங்க சொன்னாங்க. So instance
when they will get it,
நீங்க எப்ப பே பண்றீங்களோ அப்ப வாங்கி கொடுத்துருவாங்க, ஒண்ணும் பிரச்சனை இல்ல.
No, they told that is also included in this fee.
When they told?
When I took only, they told me everything is included in the fees. That's why they gave me a different rate. I don't know. Whatever it is.
That I don't know, because it's
okay. I'll write it to Muthu then. I'll write it to
Muthu. Yeah, because நான் அந்த இதெல்லாம் நான் enter, actually I'm just a trainer. So எனக்கு காஸ்ட் பத்தி எனக்கு
instance வந்து you have, right? I mean
instance I'm getting from instance they don't have instance. I'm working as a functional na, so I am dealing with the different provider. So எனக்கும் கிடைக்காது, I can't get the data instance from the directly from company. I get it from the Oracle partner who are working association with the Oracle cloud provider. I get it from them. So and எப்படி பண்ணனும்னா I need to get it from the 3 months package. I can't get it from the 1 month package. So I get
that's what I know.
You can நீங்க எதுல போய் கூகுள்ல போய் சர்ச் பண்ணாலும் கூட உங்களுக்கு
நான் முத்து கிட்ட பேசிக்கிறேன். I will ask.
இன்ஸ்டன்ஸ் பத்தி நீங்க சப்போஸ் உங்களுக்கு இன்ஸ்டன்ஸ் தேவைப்படுதுன்னா டைரக்டா என்கிட்ட கேளுங்க, நானே உங்களுக்கு ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணி சொல்றேன். பட் அவங்க எப்படி அவங்க என்ன இன்ஸ்டன்ஸ் கொடுப்பாங்கன்னு தெரியல. I don't have idea. So if they giving the private instance, public instance, it's sometime it be down. Okay, based upon your decision you can back it. Okay.
Yeah.
Better don't get the instance now. First you can understand the subject, then you practicing.
Okay,
I giving some assignment to you. That assignment you need to getting some finish and giving the snapshot of that assignment. Then I can get where you lagging.
Where I am, then we
Yes.
can buy the instance.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Understood. No
So
problem.
instance just instance we can buy anywhere, but how it work before என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா ஒரு 1 week கொடுத்துருவாங்க. நான் சொன்னல டவுன் ஆயிரும், சம்திங்ஸ் இப்படி டவுன் அகைன் you need to write to that person. இன்னொரு again it be happen. அப்புறம் என்ன ஆகும், நீங்க டயர்ட் ஆயிருவீங்க. ஸோ ஆல்ரெடி கிரியேட்டட் சம்திங் அகைன் you need to create. பட் என்ன ஆகும்னா நம்ம கிரியேட் பண்றோம், டெலிட் ஆயிருக்கு. ஸோ அகைன் you need to create, we taking our waste of time. So இந்த ஏன்னா ஆல்ரெடி நான் நிறைய this kind of scenarios happen in the 5 years before, when I'm practicing 6 years before, I faced this kind of scenario.
Okay, fine, no problem.
Then coming to the enterprises, just giving the explanation about enterprises. Just we start tomorrow.
Okay.
Wait. Just giving explanation. Tomorrow we're going to configure. Just giving some brief. So some people has created someone. Some creators as current groups like that. Like Tata Group. You taking example of Tata Group. Then only can see that.
Fine.
So the action reasons. You can see also the action reasons. Somebody's
reorganization.
The internal address is coming to the geography. Then there is a common what of place appreciation, that it blah blah blah. You can ignore that part. Then it's coming to the work time. This is the company setup. What the employee in, what time the out time. So company or in time and out time. Standard yes is standard working hours of weekly. If you consider as a weekly, you can subtract getting some result. It's into 5. You're getting that weekly hours. The coming to the generation method. Do you know the employee number, person number, like that? That means
unique identity number, employee number.
Yes, but in Oracle never use the employee number. They having some person number and worker number. This kind of concept that they're having. So on the person number என்று சொல்லுவாங்க. So number is coming from system, or you want to going to automatically generate from system, or you going to create manually. So this kind of setup you can do that. Not used to mean there is no setup here. So hiring the employee related to the enterprise, you got getting any data is getting error. And then it's coming to the region, the global person name language. So this language is set up based upon the country specific. So in the country for like Dubai, you having some name characters, some surname. We are in India, we having first name, last name, like that. Now some countries some middle name. This kind of setup we need to country specific. The person, coming to the person generation method. Yeah, this is the year only you can set up. Manually going to use, or automatically going to use.
Automatically.
I will explain the employment model. Is a broad topic is there. Tomorrow we'll cover that area. Then initial number, which is the employee ID started from that company.
Then, fine.
This is also is related to the model. I will tell you. Then it's related to the security purpose. We are creating this one. It's coming to the security model. Then it is coming to the next session of position synchronization. It's nothing but while you're creating this all level of selected is auto synchronized. This is the enabling and disabling options. You want to enable or disable the option. This is the
Disable.
country
Okay.
specific. Yeah, this is the country specific. Related to the some characters not no needed. So you are working as end user. Your record data is only filling basic data is only every day filling.
Yeah, correct.
You're not covering all the details. That's the reason this little ES balance. Some details is directly
Okay,
needed.
fine.
Yeah.
It's not mandatory, right?
Yes,
That's what
yes,
you're
yes,
telling.
yes.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, this is overview. Tomorrow I'm coming to the model, employment model. I will be work. I will be incorporated into enterprises. I will incorporate into legal employer level. So இன்னைக்கு உங்களுக்கு டவுட் இருக்கா? Yeah.
Okay, Balan. Balan, நான் இப்போ புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டது என்னன்னா, so any HCM model எதுவும் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ற முன்னாடி முதல்ல we have to finish the geographics, ESS, இதுதான் பேசிக் இது ஆக்ஷன் இந்த செக்லிஸ்ட்ல அப்படி என்ன பண்றோமோ I mean any HR module பண்ணனும் அப்படினா so that will be this will
sorry
be
any
the
HR na
any
okay okay any HR module that means is coming to the different HRM system module like is coming to the offering சொல்லுவாங்க நம்ம Oracle
okay fine any HRMS system okay fine
yes
so for any HRMS system this is the first thing the checklist which has to be done
yes
before you do the next steps that is this will be the phase 1 process la idellam correct
correct
okay
it's coming to the is going to phase 1 phase 2 phase 3 it's normally is taking 7 phases based upon the company or requirement
size and everything.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, Bala.
Okay. Bye.
No problem. Okay. Thank you.
Bye.